Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. If this is your first time stopping by, and if you are returning, hi, and thank you for coming back again. But okay, it is, I don't know even what time. It's like probably like 8 o'clock. Well, it has to be later than that. Maybe 10 o'clock at night. One thing about me is I suffer from extreme insomnia, and I do take meds for it, but on the weekends I try not to take it and just try to be that free bird. So I'm up. I figured I'd hop on here and talk to you really quick. Let me get straight to the point, because that is what I promised myself I would do in my videos. So today, I have been meaning to do a video about this piece for the longest time. And this is the Chanel 6 key holder. And I'm going to give you some positives about it, and then I'm going to give you the negatives about this piece. I don't know if you already have one. Let me scoot closer. I don't know if you already have one or if you're in the market for buying one, but this is my experience. I've had this for about 4 years, and yeah, it's got some good points and it's got some bad points. So let's start off with the good points. So the good points are, with me and my profession, I love the fact, and this is what's made me keep this for so long, the easy access on the back of this piece with the pocket. So I literally keep my military ID in here. I keep my base access key in here, which is this, which I have to show to go through the gate because of the type of base that I'm on. And then I have like my Costco card on here that I realized that you can just show them your phone, log into your account and show them your phone and get into Costco. I did that for the first time this week, which is great. And then I have like just little random cards in here that I probably could get rid of. I'm a part of an association with my job, so this is their debit card, and I just carry, I don't know, nail stuff. It's my expired driver's license. My actual driver's license is in my Louis Vuitton Clay, but yeah, you know, this pocket is seriously what has had me not looking at other items for the last 4 years that I had it. Quick story, when I first bought it, not too long after it, I'll go ahead and open it up because this is where the dilemma is. When I first bought it, it's supposed to be a 6 key holder, and I don't even mind this. Like, some people would look at this and be like, oh my gosh, that's gross. I don't think it's really that nasty. I think it's just wear and tear from the gold. The issue that I'm having is that this is no longer a 6-ring holder. It is now a 1, 2, 3 card holder, if you can see that. A few months after I had it, the first one broke off. Maybe a year later, the other one broke off. And a few months ago, before I deployed, this other one broke off. When I was stationed in Washington, I went to the Chanel store. Well, actually, the Chanel store is inside of the Nordstrom's flagship store. And I asked them how much a repair would be. I can't remember the exact price, but I want to say that they told me that it would cost approximately $200 and something to get this fixed, which I kind of think is ridiculous, because I could buy a new Louis Vuitton Clay or key pouch for $250 on the website right now. So the good points are the leather. So this goes in my pocket, in my uniform, rain, sleet, or snow. And in the 4 years, like, the leather is absolutely perfect. Like, the corners might have a little bit of wear, which I consider nothing. You see the corners here has a little bit of wear, here, a little bit, I mean, nothing too bad. And then, like I said, this part right here with the gold rubbing off, I really don't even care about that. It doesn't, should that really bother you? I don't know. I know it could bother some, but it didn't bother me. And then you have this pocket here, which could actually fit a card, but I have like a little receipt in here. And then you have this pocket here as well. And then this lifts up. So I never ever put cards behind here because I'm just fearful of me opening it and when the cards fall and then I misplace it. And we all know how that goes. Anytime you lose like a major card, a driver's license, anything, it's panic mode. So I utilize this mostly for my key fob and this back pocket right here that I really, really love. And the Louis Vuitton one doesn't have one. The Coach one doesn't have one. And I really love this style. This style has worked for me. I am just really upset about the quality of this. Like, and I don't think I want to invest the money to replace it. So I don't know. If you could let me know down below, what is your favorite key pouch? I'm pretty sure majority of the people are going to say the Louis Vuitton key pouch, which is fine, but I just wish that they made it in a pocket. And not only the pocket, the design that I want is the Louis Vuitton Eclipse, because I have an Eclipse key ball, so I was like, I wanted to kind of match that, and I just like the Eclipse. If not, I would just go with the general monogram. I looked at the Damier Graphite, but I think if I had to choose, I would just go with the monogram. So if you have this item below and you've had any issues, most of the people, I haven't seen too many videos on wear and tear on this, and the ones that I did see didn't have this issue that I had. So maybe I'm just like super rough on this piece, but I'm not a huge SLG person. So when I find an SLG that works for me, I really need it to work for me. Like, I seriously need it to work. And this is extremely disappointing to have to pay a couple $100s to replace that. So I don't know. This is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to find one that I like. I'm still going to keep this. I'm not going to get it fixed, but I could still use it as like a card holder, because I'm not going to just throw this away. I don't know, maybe one day I'll get it fixed, but I don't see myself getting it fixed. I see myself just literally buying a Louis Vuitton one or another brown one, using that one, and then just keeping this for my main part right here. But then that's like carrying an additional thing, which I was trying to avoid. So if you do have a 6-ring holder, let me know also down below what cards fit comfortably on the open portion of it, because I think the Louis one is closed. It doesn't open like this. So if I could fit 2 cards in here, I still dread the fact that I have to, like, I'm going through the gate at work and I have to open this up, pull a card out to show them, because like I said, this was so convenient. But hey, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, and if that's what I have to do, it'll just get done. I need some more options from you guys. So I just want to thank you for stopping by and watching. If you could give me some more options on a piece that you would consider equivalent to this, I would really appreciate it. And I just wanted to thank you for stopping by my channel. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Most of the videos I do are going to be on Luxe or skincare, or I don't have the best skin, but I'm addicted to skincare products. So for instance, next week, if you didn't know and you are a Sephora Rouge customer, you probably got the email that it's going to be 20% starting, I think, the 19th. So I'm really looking forward to getting a lot of goodies from there. But yes, me and my insomnia butt was up this evening, and I had been thinking about making this video for a while, and I just thought I'd hop on here and talk to you guys and see your thoughts on this. And if you have this, and if none of them broke, you are super lucky. So yeah. Anyways, let me go ahead and get going, and I will let you know what key pouch I choose. I'm still deciding, still debating, and no rush. I can still beat this up until I get another one. We'll just see how it goes. All right, guys, have a good night. Thanks for listening, and thanks for stopping by. Bye.